Do you feel a weight on your chest that just won't lift? That invisible heaviness of emotional exhaustion that seems to cling to you no matter how much you try to shake it off. You are not alone in this feeling. Welcome to Telomia. I am so grateful you have chosen to be here today. This channel is a space dedicated to your rest, your renewal, and your profound healing. Today, we are going to embark on a very special journey together. A guided meditation specifically designed to help you release that emotional heaviness and rediscover your inner sanctuary. In our busy lives, we often carry burdens that aren't ours to keep. We absorb stress, worry, and sadness until our spirit feels dense and tired. But the truth is, you have the power to set that down. We are going to work on restoring the delicate balance between your mind, your body, and your spirit. We will move through a process of grounding, finding a sacred space within your imagination, and then simply opening up to receive. As many of our community members have shared, this is a time to feel grounded, supported, and open to healing energy. You don't need to force anything today. Your only job is to listen and to allow. So, please find a comfortable position, lying down or sitting up, and let's begin this journey of restoration. Let's begin by bringing all of your awareness to the physical container of your body. Close your eyes gently, as if you are shutting the door on the outside world and turning the lock. You are safe here. Take a deep, slow breath in through your nose, feeling your lungs expand fully. Stretching the rib cage, and hold it for just a moment at the top. Now, exhale through your mouth with a soft sigh, letting your shoulders drop away from your ears. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply, inviting fresh energy into your system. And exhale completely, signaling to your nervous system that it is time to rest. I want you to visualize your body becoming heavy, but in a good way, a grounding way. Imagine that gravity is a warm blanket gently pressing you down into the surface beneath you. Feel the back of your head supported, your spine aligning, your hips sinking, and your legs relaxing. Often, emotional heaviness gets trapped in specific areas: the jaw, the throat, the solar plexus. Scan your body now. Where are you holding on? If you find a tight spot, don't judge it. Just breathe into it. Imagine your breath is a warm, golden mist that softens the edges of that tension. You are connecting to the earth right now, just as a tree has deep roots that hold it steady through the strongest storms. You, too, are rooted. You are supported by the earth beneath you, held by gravity, and cradled in this present moment. There is nowhere else you need to be. There is nothing else you need to solve right now. You are simply here, breathing, existing, and preparing to enter your sanctuary. Now that your body is relaxed, let's engage the power of your mind's eye. I want you to imagine you are walking on a soft, mossy path in an ancient forest. The air here is cool and smells of pine needles and damp earth. It is a refreshing scent that wakes up your spirit. As you walk, the trees begin to part, revealing a large, grassy clearing bathed in twilight. In the center of this clearing stands a circle of massive, ancient stones. This is your inner sanctuary. It feels like a place out of time, a medieval setting, sacred and untouched. Walk towards these stones. They are giants, standing tall against the sky, protecting the space within. As you step into the circle, you feel an immediate shift in the atmosphere. The air inside the circle is warmer, charged with a gentle, humming vibration. This is a place of deep safety. Notice the details. Perhaps there are carvings on the stones, worn smooth by centuries of wind and rain. Maybe you see soft, glowing lanterns hanging from the rock, casting a warm, amber light. In the center of the circle, there is a comfortable place for you to sit or lie down. A bed of furs, or soft grass, or a smooth, sun-warmed rock. Go to that spot in the center. As you settle in, look around you. These stones are the guardians of your peace. They create a barrier that the noise and chaos of the outside world cannot cross. You are completely isolated in the most comforting way. You are held in a vessel of silence and strength. This is the space where the healing happens. This is where we will do the work of releasing. Now, lying or sitting in the center of this sacred circle, bring your attention back to that emotional heaviness we spoke of earlier. It might feel like a dark cloud in your chest, a knot in your stomach, or a weight on your shoulders. In this safe space, give that emotion a shape or a color. Maybe it looks like a gray stone, a tangle of dark vines, or a heavy iron chain. Visualize it clearly. You do not need to be afraid of it here. We are going to give this weight to the stones. The ancient stones around you have the power to absorb and neutralize this energy. I want you to imagine that with every exhalation, this dark, heavy energy is flowing out of your body like smoke. Breathe in deeply, gathering the tension. Breathe out and watch the gray smoke leave your lips. Watch it drift towards the giant stones. See how the stones absorb it effortlessly. They are strong. They can handle it. You do not need to carry this anymore. Release the sadness. Release the anxiety. Release the need to control everything. Let it all pour out of you. Say to yourself, I release what is not mine. I lay down this burden. Feel the physical sensation of lightness returning to your body. As the heaviness leaves, notice how much more space you have inside. Your chest feels more open. Your heart beats with more freedom. You are not losing a part of yourself. You are cleaning the window of your soul so the light can shine through again. Keep breathing. Keep releasing. Let the earth and the stones take it all. You are safe to let go completely. Now that you have emptied out the heaviness, we must fill that space with something new. We must restore the balance. Nature dislikes a vacuum, and we want to ensure that the space you've created is filled with high vibrational, healing light. Imagine that a beam of pure, radiant golden light is descending from the stars above, shining directly into the center of your circle. It washes over you, warm and nurturing. This is the simply receive phase of our practice. There is nothing you need to do to earn this. You just need to be open to it. Imagine this light entering through the top of your head and flowing down like warm honey, filling every cell of your body. It fills the spaces where the heaviness used to be. It brings with it a sense of deep peace, clarity, and unconditional love. Feel it soothing your nervous system. Feel it knitting together any frayed edges of your spirit. You are being recharged. You are being loved. Allow this feeling to settle into your bones. This inner sanctuary, this circle of stones, is always here for you. You can return to this visualization whenever the world feels too loud or the weight feels too heavy. But for now, know that you are taking this peace back with you. You are integrating this healing into your waking life. Slowly, gently, begin to bring your awareness back to the room you are in. Feel the weight of your body on the surface beneath you again, but notice how much lighter your spirit feels. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Take a deep, energizing breath, filling your lungs with the oxygen of the present moment. When you are ready, gently flutter your eyes open. Take a moment to thank yourself for showing up today. Healing is a journey, and you have taken a beautiful step forward. If this meditation helped you find a moment of peace, please consider liking this video so it can reach others who need this healing. Subscribe to Telomia for more guided journeys into rest and renewal. And I would love to hear from you in the comments. Let me know how your inner sanctuary looked. Or simply type, "I am healed," to affirm your practice today. Carry this lightness with you. Until next time, be gentle with yourself